Hello, how are you this evening? My name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I thought I'd share with you my latest yarn haul. So first up, I have a ball of peaches and cream cotton yarn. I had bought this at Walmart. This is, I can't pronounce it, Ecru, E-C-R-U. This ball is a size 4 medium weight yarn. It is a 2.5 ounce ball or 70 grams, 120 yards or 109 meters. So look for this yarn in an upcoming video. I plan to make a dishcloth with this. I believe I call it my domino dishcloth. What makes it unique that it has a hole in the corner and then you can hang up this dishcloth. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that tutorial. So let's show you what I have up next. So up next, I have bought this yarn off Amazon. Okay, I still have it in the plastic container. Let's see if I have one. I have one that I can take out the plastic. It is Ice Cream by Lion Brand. This color is Moon Mist. It is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is 394 yards or 360 meters. This is a size 3 lightweight yarn. Now, like I said, I got 3 balls. Bought 3 off Amazon. My plan, I'm going to be a grandmother again, so I plan on making this some form of corner-to-corner blanket. So you may have to watch, I don't know if I'll have a video at all. You may have to check out my blog post, and I will, in my description, I always have a link to all my free patterns and my blog post and all my social media. So whatever the end result will be with this yarn, I will post it on my blog. So, and I'm already liking this yarn. It is pretty soft. And I like the colors, blue and pink. I don't know the sex yet of my grandchild. Hopefully this color, I mean, it's got both pink and blue, so hopefully this will work. Be sort of neutral gender neutral. So yeah, again, that is Ice Cream by Lion Brand. And last up is some more cotton yarn. This is Sugars and Cream. And I also bought this off Amazon, and this came as is, as a kit. And not only did I get this bundle of 6 skeins of yarn, it came with a pattern book inside. So I will open this up, take a look at this. I will leave links to all the yarn showed in this video. Oh. Alright, so this first ball, oh, so it's like they gave a color guacamole. That's cute. Guacamole. So this is a variegated yarn, and I think all the variegated ones, this one is 2 ounces or 56 grams, and it's also 95 yards or 86 meters. I'm going to assume my three balls in this kit are variegated. This one was guacamole. This one is Sunrise Ombre. That is Sunrise Ombre. Oh, and I forgot to mention also that these are a size 4 medium weight yarn. This last ombre one is, let me see if I can find the color. Oh wow, I never heard this. Okay, Rick Rack Ombre. They're kind of pretty. All the grains. So all these kind of match up. So I got 3 ombres. And I have 3 solid colors. So this first green, what they call it, is teal. It's teal. Also size 4. But I think there's probably more yards in this one. This is 4 ounces. Or 190 yards. Or 174 meters. So that's twice the amount of our ombres. Right, I'll get it yet. Okay, because this is 2 ounces. Yeah, this is, yeah, nearly twice the amount. Yeah, and it's almost well over 100 more yards for the solid colors. This was teal. This I got is, this one is, let's see if I can find the color. Also, like the first one, also ecru. It says soft ecru. I don't know if you want to compare it with the peaches and cream I had earlier. Not quite the same, but similar. And this last one is, let's see, oh, it's yellow. Oh, all right, yellow. That's what the color is, yellow. Yeah, like I said, also came with some pattern leaflets. So I got a 4 square dishcloth instructions. Oh, I have instructions for how to do a poncho. And I have instructions on how to do this circles throw. I have a feeling I'm gonna need way more balls than what I got. Yeah, to make this, I'm gonna need at least almost, let's see, 18, 20. I'll need 28 balls for this, to make this. Oh, and I forgot about, I got a heart sachet. That one is only gonna need a ball for that one. Dishcloths only need like a ball, like 2 contrasting color balls. And the poncho will need 3 balls, like either 3 or 6 balls. I'm trying to read it up. Yeah, well, at least with, yeah, you're gonna need at least 9 balls for the bigger sizes. So came with it, but I don't think I have enough. The only patterns I could use with this is probably the heart sachet one or the dishcloths. But then, you know what? I'll just keep these somewhere. I don't plan, my plan is not to use any of these patterns. My initial plan is to make a market bag like the one I had already made. Unfortunately, at this time, I do plan at some point to have a video out for this and a pattern. I don't have one yet. So again, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't, when I do eventually post a video on how to make this market bag, that you don't miss out on it. It is cute. If you had seen my my windmill dishcloth tutorial, the yarn I had left over to make that tutorial, I went into making this bag. So that was 6 balls, and that was using the leftovers, so I should have enough yarn from this kit to make this bag. That is all I have for my yarn haul this time around. I will leave links to all the yarn that I showed you in this video. And also, I want to point out that they could be affiliate links from the ones from Amazon. And if it is an affiliate link, let you know that it doesn't cost you extra, but it does help me out. So if you decide to use the affiliate link, I want to thank you ahead of time for that. I also want to thank you for sticking around and watching this video. And if you don't want to miss out on any future yarn content or any tutorials, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Oh, and I will leave a link for the hat, which is also among my tutorials. It is the crochet bucket hat.